Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can create beat effect photo animation in Capcut. Okay, let's get into it. Here I have created a project in my Capcut application. And first thing first, I'm going to add beat mark to this audio. I'm going to add the beat mark automatically. We can click on the audio and go to the beat option. And I'm just going to select auto generate to add the beat mark automatically. Okay, and now as you can see guys that the beat mark has been added to my audio, and we're going to cut this clip according to the audio beat. I'm just going to cut it one by one like this. Okay, we can place this parameter to the audio beat, and we can cut the clip according to the beat mark. Okay, and now it's done, and I'm going to add animation to my clips. I'm just going to add some kind of animation. Click on the clip and then go to animation, and for the first clip I'm gonna go with combo animation. I'm gonna go with the zoom 1 animation, and for the second clip I'm going to make it different. I'm gonna go with this wobble. Okay, and the third clip I'm gonna select this bounce to animation, and the last one I'm just going to select this one. Okay, and now let's just take a look at the final result. Alright guys, and that's how we can create a beat effect photo animation in Capcut. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.